Do you notice anything odd about the arrangement of tombstones in this section of the cemetery? The stones are very close together and arranged in 4 neat rows. There are no bodies here, only tombstones. These tombstones were brought to Holy Cross Cemetery from Pioneer Catholic Cemetery. In the 1850s, burials were made on the lot adjacent to the original wooden church on 4th and Rock Streets, but there was no room to expand the small burial ground. Timothy and Ellen Hurley deeded 4 acres of land to Bishop Baraga to be used as free burial ground in 1861, and by the following year, the cemetery was in use. Cornelius and Catherine Clune later gave the church 2 additional acres adjoining the property. The cemetery was located along what was then the southern part of 3rd Street. It is now located at the corner of Pioneer Road and Division Street. Originally called St. Peter's Cemetery, it has since been renamed Pioneer Catholic Cemetery. As the Marquette community grew, a larger burial site was needed, and Holy Cross was the answer. The first burial here was in 1897. A few families of those interred at Pioneer Catholic decided to move them here. Those graves can be found scattered throughout the cemetery. Estimates indicate that between 120 and 165 people were moved. Despite the opening of Holy Cross, burials continued at Pioneer Catholic into the 1900s, with various sources listing the last burial as 1908, 1911, and 1912. When the Hurleys first established the cemetery, it was as a free burial ground, and because of this stipulation, no one set up a trust, endowment, or perpetual care fund to allow for the future care of the cemetery. Without funds to maintain it, the cemetery became overgrown and has at times been subjected to vandalism. In 1936, 2 men working for the Works Progress Administration recorded tombstones for all 3 of Marquette's cemeteries, Pioneer Catholic, Holy Cross, and Park, finding 145 at Pioneer Catholic. By 1992, there were less than 100 remaining, and many of those were damaged. Eventually, all the tombstones, but not all the remains, were moved to Holy Cross. For this year's annual cemetery walking tour, the Marquette Regional History Center will be recognizing World War II heroes, both civilian and military. Stop by Holy Cross Cemetery on Thursday, May 28th at 1 p.m. for a self-guided walking tour, or 6 p.m. for a guided tour, either seated or walking.